there, ladies and gents. So today I'm coming to you with a taste test Wednesday. Today I'm going to be taste testing the Kit Kat Duos Mocha Chocolate, Mochas plus Chocolate, and this is one of the 3 or 4 limited edition ones that Kit Kats came out with over 2020's summer. So yeah, this is the last one, and it was the hardest one for me to find. I was on the hunt for it, so, and I didn't find it until last month. So it's the Kit Kat Duos Mocha plus Chocolate Crisp Wafers and a mocha cream with coffee bits and chocolate. I've already tried this once because I was trying to do a video and the sound was not good, so yeah. And since it's a king size, I'm going to try to, savor them. So yeah. So they just look like this. So it's like a dark chocolate on the bottom and a coffee colored chocolate on the top with little bits of coffee bits sprinkled throughout the topping. And yeah. That's what the inside looks like. It's not a super strong coffee flavor. It's there, but it's not overly coffee. But it is delicious. Would I purchase these again? Mm-hmm. Very delicious. These would make a really nice snack if you wanted to have them with an actual cup of coffee as a snack with a cup of coffee, and tasty. But yes, definitely would say 100% I would purchase those again. Very delicious, and I love coffee. Bye.